What's up, ladies? It's your girl 𝗕cie𝗺𝗃, and I am back. Today the company I will be working with is CurlyMe Calm. Jumping right in, I'm just showing you all the goodies I got. This is the packaging. They did send me a Bodywave 30-inch wig, and they did list all the information on my little plastic bag. You see the 30 inches, you see the Bodywave, and then you see the density. And then I also got this cute little CurlyMe brochure, which has tips and tricks on how to take care of your wig, how to wash it, maintain it, and then there's also some coupon codes and discount codes listed in the brochure. I tried to catch it with my lighting, but you know how that go. They also sent me a silk or satin silk headscarf and then some cute 3D mink lashes. And then this is the wig cap that they sent me, you know, the regular 2-pack wig cap. And then this is the hair. This is their 13x4 pink root HD Bodywave wig. It did come in 30 inches and 250 density. I did go ahead and style this hair off camera. I just wanted to hurry up because this video was taking me forever. This is the inside construction of the cap. It did come with 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. And then, of course, the lace is HD. I just wanted to show you guys. I did go ahead and pre-style this hair on my mannequin head off camera. So we're going to jump right in with the install. First thing I'm going to do is cut off this excess lace. My followers, you already know how we do. You want to go ahead and put that handy dandy lace in, and then I'm going to cut straight up the middle with my cuticle scissors, and then I am going to go in with my eyebrow razor, starting in the middle, working my way down to the left side, and then working my way off to the right side. Once you get all the excess lace cut off, we're going to go in with some makeup to blend everything together and get ready to lay that down.
Crazy.
Next, I'm going to take my Professional Kiss Cream Foundation in the shade Chestnut or ACF420. I'm just going to pop that in right onto the perimeter of my lace. And as you guys can see, it's already melting and looking like my skin. I did do this video in real time. I didn't want to speed it up just because the hair was already pre-styled, so if I sped it up, the video was going to be really short. And you know, don't nobody want a little short video. Everybody want to see in detail, start to finish. So I made sure I got that for you guys. And you can definitely see that the lace is completely melted when we just put the makeup on there with no adhesive at all. It's definitely giving scalp. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and pop some color right into the middle and on the other side of my lace. Once we get the entire perimeter laid correctly, everything's blended in, we're going to go in with our Even Lace Spray, which is a semi-glueless or hairspray glueless or hairspray glue adhesive. Sorry, y'all, I'm mumbling. We're going to go in with that to do our glueless wig install and finish up this install like so. I do take my Wonder Even Lace Bond in the black bottle, and here I'm just going to pop that spray right on top of the lace and just blot it in with my finger gently. Like I said, this video is in real time, so you guys get to see how the spray's coming out, how I'm tapping in. I'm not moving fast, as you guys can see. You don't want to rush. You want to take your time, because this can get messy if you rush and try to rip through it. Once that's done, I'm going to put some, like I said, from temple to temple. I started in the middle this time, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer, blow dry that until everything's nice and clean. You want to make sure everything's dry completely. I'm just using the end tail of my rat comb to lay everything flat, make sure everything's nice and neat. Once that's done, you want to repeat the same steps on your sides. I am going to be lifting up my sides just because where the hair was, I was scared of getting the adhesive spray onto the hair and potentially gunking it up. So I just lifted the lace on my sides, but I'm just going to do 2 thin layers on each side, blend that in with my finger, or just spread it out with my finger, then go in with my blow dryer and blow dry that until that's nice and tacky. Once everything is nice and tacky, we're going to place everything down like so using a rat tail comb, and then I'm going to repeat the steps on the other side until everything is laid, and then we're going to tie all of that down with an elastic band.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
After everything is tied down, I'm going to go back in with my Kiss foundation in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to pop that right into my part just to give it some more definition, make it look nice and neat. I really hate seeing colored wigs with a white part or a really light part, especially when you're a person of color. It's a dead giveaway that it's a wig, and that's not what we want. Now, I did speed this up for the purpose of the video because this took me a little minute, but now I'm just taking out my pins. I couldn't see the back of my head, so I called my husband to help me take my pins out. So that's why you guys see him in his little work uniform, helping me take my hair down. Once we take the pins out, I did let these pins sit in for about 30 minutes. I would say 30 minutes to an hour while I was finishing my makeup off camera before we came in to do the install. But now, as you guys can see, I'm just taking the curls down. Once I unpin these curls, I'm going to take the elastic band off and show you guys what the lace is looking like. Everything is melted. It's definitely giving scalp. I love it, love it, love it. Now, once that's done, I am going to come back with you guys with the finished look. Y'all get into it, get into it. I bodied this hair, y'all. The curls were giving, the length, the density, everything was giving. CurlyMe Calm, y'all did the damn thing, okay? This is, again, you guys, CurlyMe collection. This is their Pink Root HD Bodywave wig. It did come in 30 inches and 250 density. Get into it, get into it. You see the shine, you see the body, you see the bounce, baby. Don't play with her. And I did go ahead and customize this unit off camera. I did go in and pre-style, pluck, and cut this hair. The hair did come custom colored to me already. Again, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. I'm dropping hits back to back. Don't forget to hit that bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.